Okay, I recently changed my password here on my Wi-Fi. I changed the name and also the passcode. But as you can see right here now, it's showing connection failure. And I'm gonna show you how to fix that. You know, since my Wi-Fi changed, I don't have no connection failure. And the bad thing about this thermostat is the light does not stay on. You have to just hit a button to keep the light on. But here go how you reset it. So you hit this button right here, and this button right here, you hold it in for maybe 3 to 5 seconds. And you wanna go, this says back and next, you wanna go to 39. And go down to 0 and hit done. And now you see the Wi-Fi setup. So now only thing you need to do is go to your setting on your iPhone or whatever, and it'll pick it up and hit connect. Okay, now you want to go to settings on your phone, and you want to click on the Wi-Fi, and it'll do scanning. You see right up there where it says new thermostat, you click on it. Okay, now you see up there where it says Glenn Senior. And if you don't see your Wi-Fi, just hit the rescan there at the bottom. And you see it's Glenn Senior. I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna enter my passcode. And I'm gonna hit done. There you go. I'm connected. And as you see, while it's going through the process, it tells you to wait. Like I said, it takes about 3 minutes for that to reset. So anytime you change your Wi-Fi password or anything, you're gonna have to go through this process to reset it. And once it's done, it'll say setup complete. Once it says setup is complete, you can go to your app here to the right where it's got 72 degrees. That's TCC. You click on that app right there and it should look just like this. You see I got my downstairs and upstairs. And before, when I lost the connection, it was red. Both of these was red. So now it's active. So if I click on my downstairs, click on it, I'm gonna change this temperature to 73 degrees. I'm gonna hit submit. And I'm done. You could be anywhere in the world. You could be in the Bahamas, wherever. You could be in Mexico, Cancun, Africa, wherever. You can use this app to set your temperatures here at your house. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.